Today I am explaining the working of Pirate EA. Now I am opening expert properties. Here start hour and stop hour are important. This EA works only for 1 hour in 24 hours. These are the best settings for this EA. Now click the start button and watch the performance of this expert advisor. Drawdown is 1.62% while net profit is 233.01. Now click modify expert. This is the source code and you can see some Chinese language in the code. I think this expert advisor may be decompiled with some Chinese software. Now I am searching the order sent function. Press Ctrl F. Line number 975 and line number 979. Here order send function is used. Now I am scroll up and find which function is using order send function for buy and sell orders. Here I find it liezong_7. This function is used to place buy sell orders. Okay, now I am again searching this function. Line number 703. Here the expert advisor call liezong_7 to place buy orders. Now a little scroll up and I want to see what is the trigger point of this function. Here I found that 1_do less than 30. I think this variable is used and this is a technical indicator RSI. In this EA there are two technical indicators used, RSI and iMA. Now I click the down direction to search this variable where I want to check that where this variable is used. Here I can now explain that this variable is less than 30 and 2_do is less than 36. These are RSI values. If these values are less than 30 and 36 and _3_do greater than equal to this price level, this variable is loading IMA value. Now I click the direction up and confirm what is this variable. This variable is loading IMA time frame 15 value, and IMA value greater than equal to 27 underscore do. This is sample info double. I think this is high price value. These are the combinations where the expert advisor detect whether to place a buy or sell order. Now I scroll down and again I am searching where this function is used. This function is used in line number 806 to place sell orders, and I scroll up few lines. Here you can see that these are the RSI variables. If these variable values greater than 70 are second RSI value greater than 64 and IMA less than equal to day low price, then it plays sell orders. I hope you understand the working of this EA. Now I am summarizing the over, uh, overall conclusion of this expert advisor. This expert advisor using three technical indicators: 15-minute RSI and 1-minute RSI, and the third technical indicator is IMA. And the main point of this expert advisor is that it places trades from 0 hour to 1 hour. If I change these values, for example, if I change this value to, for example, 5 and click OK, now I press the start button to watch the performance of the expert advisor. Here you can see that the results are different. Drawdown is 4.61% while profit is 206.87. Now I am using its default values. If I use 5 hours trade, then drawdown is 4.61, and if I am using default values, then we see that what is the drawdown of this expert advisor. Drawdown is 1.62% while profit is 233.01. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.